Why ask me? Up and down. Up. Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and we're ready to hit the slumber party of Rainbow High. Here we have Robin Sterling. Now, out of these three girls, I'm sorry to tell you, but Robin, that's my home girl. I don't know if it's her color scheme or what is it, but Robin, I was instantly drawn to. Brianna will be second, and third would be her. Someone please leave me her name in the comment section below. I forgot her name, but I am gonna get her. Not probably, I am, but just on a discount. So we'll see. Black Friday is coming soon, so hopefully she'll be discounted out to $12. So here we have Robin, and she's so cute. Let's zoom in. She is so pretty. The light is kind of taken away from her beauty, but you can see that she comes with a sleeping bag. She comes with the doll herself looking good. Hey, pretty. Then she comes with a secondary look. Now, you know me. If you've been watching this channel long enough, she's not living in a box. So I'm going to get everything out, and I'll be right back. Hello, we are back, and we have Robin out of her packaging. I did keep a lot of her stuff together because I wanted to show you guys. So her focus in school is performing arts focus. So she's a performer. I love this doll. Like, I was just playing with her so much behind the scenes. These are her accessories. These dolls are retailing for over $50, but if you catch them, you can get them for like $29.99, or I think I've seen $35. I mean, I've seen a bunch of different prices people have managed to get them for, but the holidays are coming up, which means there will be discounts, Black Friday, everything like that. So there is an opportunity for people to get these dolls. So let's look at her accessories. So she comes with her stand, of course. She comes with her Rainbow High pillow. It's so cute. She comes with secondary heels, a comb, her secondary outfit, which is so cute. 2 hangers. She comes with a sleeping bag, which we're going to look over. Because what I love about hers, which is different, instead of the inside of her sleeping bag being one solid color, they decided to actually give her designs. So inside of hers, there's like perfume, jewelry, diamonds. It's so nice. I love that it's wrapped with like a bow, and I love her little detailing right there. It's so cute. Ignore my nails. Yes, they are a mess. But this is so cute. Now let's look over the doll. Hey, Robin. Looking so cute. I just think this color combination could not have been better. I think this was such a good color combination. And just look at her, guys. Like, you guys know from my other review, I really am not feeling the slipper material. I like how the slippers look. Not really feeling this scratchy material, but she has these bunny slippers on. You see I have the blue color ears. They're so cute. This is the bottom. These are so cute, and they even have little bunny tails in the back. Her socks are like white cotton socks, and they have the lace trim at the top with bows. Then as you go up, you can see she does have on a nightie underneath her robe. Oh, let me get the scissors. And as you can see, this is her outfit underneath her robe, which is a pair of shorts, which have the same pattern as her sleeping bag in it. This is her robe, looking so cute, and it's actually see-through, and it has this cotton trim going around it. She looks very upscale. Like, I can't deny it. Of course, her nails are this ice blue color, looking gorgeous, honey. Yes, she looks so cute. Now, the top part is a separate piece, and you can see it's kind of oversized, so it comes down a little bit. And the top does Velcro in the back. The shorts don't have any Velcro. And this is her little ribbon going around. It's so cute. And she also comes with this necklace. Oh my God, this is so cute. Now, I'm happy about this because we don't always get accessories with the Rainbow High girls, but she comes with a necklace, and it says RH. These are her earrings, and I think, oh no, they're not the same. They're different. But these are her earrings. Now, the one thing about the baby hairs, MGA, my baby hairs are kind of misprinted. So when you guys get yours, make sure you get the good baby hairs. It's a little misprinted. On this side it looks good, but on this side you guys can see kind of like it's misprinted a little bit. But since we're here, let's look at the face up. And I see that they went with like a nude lip tone. Her eyes are like ice blue. She has white and blue and brown eyeshadow, looking so gorgeous. Her headband, not her headband, her face mask, sleep mask, has eyelashes on it. It looks so cute. Then when we go to her hair, it's like this icy blue color. Now, I'm not sure if it has any highlights or lowlights in it. I can't really tell. To me, it looks a solid blue. It looks a solid blue, and it comes down to where her robe is. She is so gorgeous. Now, if you are new to the world of Rainbow High, I will go over articulation. They do have articulation at the head, so they can tilt and they can look side to side. Shoulders, elbow, wrist. Nothing in the midsection. But at the hips, they can kick out a little bit, and they have a bend at the knee. Her legs are kind of stiff. They have a bend at the knee, and they also have a thigh cut at the top. So if you're new at Rainbow High, they do have a nice type of articulation. So now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna get Robin dressed in her secondary outfit. We're gonna come back, and I'm gonna give my final thoughts. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm getting Robin dressed, and I know everything looks normal, right? I didn't even get her pants all the way pulled up when I noticed this on the side. So there is a rip, and because she's a dark complector, it's quite obvious, but it is in the middle, so maybe I can get away with it. But just comment below, do you think something like that is worth reporting to MGA? Because I'm sure they would send me another pair of pants, but do you think it's worth reporting? Just let me know. But I'm just gonna keep getting Robin dressed, and we're gonna be right back. Hey guys, so we're back. I was a little disappointed by those details in her pants, and in her wrist it's some odd like little burns. It looks like they almost look like they melted a little bit. This heel will not stay on. Please stay on for the video. Oh god. So her shoe won't stay on. So that's something else. MGA. Okay. So this is Robin in her secondary look, and I think she looks so cute. She looks very upscale, and that's what I like about her. She gives me the rich chick out of the group. So overall, do I like this look versus the first one? I may do a combination deal. I may do a combination of pieces from her first look to her second look. Now, what do I think about the price point of $50 and everything like that? I do think if I would have paid $50 for her, I would be a little bit more sad about what happened, but I only paid $29, so I'm not as sad. But and you can't really see it because the thing is, it's in the in-between part of her legs, so you can't really see down there. But overall, I do think this line is cute. I don't think it's a throwaway line. I do think MGA legitimately thought about this and put some thought into these dolls. I really do like them, and like I said, I want to get the third one. I think her name is Marissa. Please correct me if I'm wrong, because I do want to get the third one in the group. But I'm loving these, and like each of these girls kind of have their own personalities, if you will. Like Brianna's definitely the bubblegum pop girl. Robin is definitely that girl you don't want to mess with. She's coined. So I'm very excited to have these girls and to have my little slumber party play and everything like that. Now, I do have a personal goal on my channel. I'm trying to get to 5K. So please like the video, share, and comment. Let me know what you think about these dolls. Are you going to purchase them? Have you seen them in stores? Just let it be known. And just know this, I will see you in my next video. Now, someone was asking me, out of these two, who would I say I really enjoyed? Originally, Robin had it in a bag. Some of her qualities does kind of make me second guess my decision a little bit. But in all honesty, if I only had $30 and I could only get one, I think I would still just pick up Robin just because of her looks and everything like that. Like, it's nothing against Brianna. I love her. I'm glad I was able to get both. But like, if you're able to get one, I love it. I love how Rainbow has the different colors. So if you're attracted to certain colors, you might want to get that doll. But overall, they're beautiful and they're besties. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.